Want smoother scene changes in your videos? In this quick beginner guide, I'll show you how to add transitions in OpenShot in less than 3 minutes. OpenShot has multiple built-in transitions to choose from. You can review them by clicking on the Transitions tab. It's right down here, and if you don't see it, go up to your toolbar, right-click, and select Transitions. Import your video clips to the project files and then pull them down to the timeline. The snapping tool is turned on. You can see it's highlighted. So one clip you can pull over to the other and they'll snap together. Now, if we play the playhead across the transition, you can see that it is a sudden change. We want to fix that with one of the built-in transitions. To add the transition, turn off the snapping tool, pull the playhead to where you would like the transition to start. Then you can grab your second clip and pull it over on top of the first clip and up to the playhead. At this point, we get a transition that is considered a fade. It's just a default. And you can right-click on that, click Properties, and then here in the window, you'll see under Source, you have fade.svg. Right-click on that, select Transitions, and there's 400 plus in here. You can look through and see what you like the best. We're just going to grab white top to bottom. We'll back off a little bit and then play that through and see what we got. You can see the transition. It's subtle. And you can adjust that by using the brightness and the contrast and get it to exactly what you want. Something to note, longer transitions create a slower effect and shorter transitions create a faster effect. But for most videos, a shorter transition will provide a cleaner look. Well, that's how to add transitions in OpenShot. And if you want more transitions that are not included with OpenShot, you can create your own. You can add them to the library so you can pull them up anytime. If you want more videos that answer your questions without wasting time, just come back to see us. If you got questions or topic suggestions, just drop them in the comments.